What's up guys? Today I want to talk about how to do the glute bridge, the body weight glute bridge. Now this is a very important exercise because it helps us strengthen the glutes and the hamstrings in a shortened position. Why is this important? Because a lot of us have weak glutes and hamstrings these days due to sitting down for quite a long time. Okay, so we're going to learn how to do the glute bridge today, and it's also going to help us progress to more advanced exercises like the dumbbell hip thrust or the barbell hip thrust. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to lie down just like this, and we're going to set our feet so that is around hip width or a little bit wider than hip width. Your toes can face straight or slightly outwards. Now, from here, if you have your legs, you want to bring your legs up so that there's about a foot's worth of space in between your butt and the back of your heels. So for me, around there is fine. And while we perform this exercise, you might want to adjust slightly so that we're targeting our glutes as best as we can. So from here, we're just going to grip the floor, and all we're going to think about doing is bringing our hips up to the sky. Boom. Coming back down, slight touch of the ground. Boom. Boom. Now, when we're doing this exercise, what really helps to feel your glutes even more is to think about tucking your tailbone up to the sky as we bring our hips up. So instead of just bringing our hips up, we want to think about curling our tailbones as we're coming up. And you'll notice that difference. When you curl your tailbone up, your glutes should fire a lot more, okay? So curling up, coming back down. Now, one other tip I can tell you is if you take your legs out a little bit further and try, you'll realize that your hamstrings start to shake or really activate a lot more. So that's a way where you can target the hamstrings a little bit more by doing the bridge. But we want to just start off with the generic bridge and really work the glutes, okay? So try this out for the given amount of reps. Now, if that gets pretty easy for you, which for a lot of you it will at one point, we're going to do a single leg variation. So what you're going to do is you're just going to straighten out this leg, and then, actually, let's start off with the bent knee variation because that's a little bit easier. So same thing here applies, but we're just going to do it on one leg this time, curling the tailbone up, coming back down. This is going to be a lot more challenging than the normal glute bridge. Now, you want to make sure when we're doing this that our hips are staying leveled and your hips aren't shifting left or tilting left or right. We want to keep it nice and stable. Boom, coming back up, come back down. Make sure you're really trying to tuck that tailbone in as you're coming up, or else a lot of lower back work will be done. Cool. Now, if that also gets easy, you might just want to straighten out your legs and then bridge up. Boom. That is going to be a lot harder because now the leverage is longer, so you're just pretty much adding more weight to the exercise. So try those variations out for the given amount of reps, and I'll speak to you in the next video.